Breaking news.
Bo Simon Odo, king of Satan.
Dr. Simon Odo, the king of Satan, the Solomon of Africa, a man who married 59 wives and had over 300 children, is dead. He died at the age of 74 years. The popular native doctor, king of Satan, is a native of Aji in Enugu, Enugu State, Nigeria.
My father was a Satan. My mother was a Satan. My grandfather was a Satan. Bo Simon Odo, king of Satan. Oje kwesu, nukwa mo oje kwesu. Abiri no oje kwesu. Ima mora mbagbe. Iyamlebe is from my brother's place. Only my baptism in 1956. I do my confirmation in 1958. Sabbath 5960. Truly speaking, that I am telling you. I will come upon a time. Now I'm 5 years. From that upon a time, when I have 5 years. And the man I come in Ure, Madame 5 years. So from here to here, rotten. 5 years. Understand? I'm going to write one of the Bewoje is about day. That's so Chile can have Tamalava. Nobody may be far. That's all right. Maybe I'm more complete to 7 years. Banata, maybe is your mother. When you take $300 billion, can make a bad man wrong. Can go when you're not Ayoy. Can you man poison? It's a fun no over my dead body. You did that I would do it, I would die. 57 wives that I married. And we only two in a month. Over the Nina, I'm the one come. It's me as an amateur. When they want a mood or something after the time. And what here? You want me to be like
Welcome to Media Africa TV. Dr. Simon Odo, in an interview, said that his father was a Satan, his mom was a Satan, and according to him, he went further to say that his brothers too were Satans. For that reason, he is the king of Satan.
My father was a Satan. My mother was a Satan. My grandfather was a Satan. Bo Simon Odo, king of Satan. Oje kwesu, nukwa mo oje kwesu. Abiri no oje kwesu. Ima mora mbagbe.
History was made when he was buried in a brand new car. Stay tuned as we give you more updates. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share. Thanks.